Subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell for all future notifications.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in today's video, we are going to recreate Kathleen Lights makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna do this look right here. Now, I wanted to do this as soon as I saw her picture on the Instagram, but I was a little skeptical, like, well, I should do it or not. But I just don't know from where so many videos just, you know, started floating on the internet. Someone doing someone's makeup, like recreating the look, following tips and techniques of them. And I was like, wow, it's actually the right time to do this makeup look. And I love Kathleen. I just love her. She's like makeup goddess for me, and it is just a token of you know, my showing my love for her, and that's it. I just love her, and I wish she's able to see this video sometime, maybe. I obviously do not have all the products that she has used in her video, but let's see, we'll try and make it work. I really want to.
Let's see how it goes, and I should really shut up and start doing the makeup because I think it's going to be a little longer video. I'm going to talk through this one. So yeah, bear with me and let's just start doing the makeup.
So I have my laptop in front of me and her video is open. So I'm just gonna start the video and follow her steps and whatever she's doing. And yeah, she is beautiful. And the way she does it, it's just flawless. So she has used her Dream Street palette on her eyes mainly, but I do not have that. I have the ColourPop Yes Please palette, so I'm gonna use a couple of shades from this, and I'm gonna use a couple of shades from my Makeup Revolution Eyes Like Angels palette. This is the one. So it has a couple of greens and blues, so we are going to mix all of that and let's see if we can recreate this. Alright, so she's starting her eyes first, and I'm going to do the same. Now, she has already primed her eyes, and I'll also do it very quickly. I'm using my ColourPop Cosmetics concealer, and I'm just going to use my fingers to blend it. And I'm going to set with this shade, which is called Bling, from my Yes Please palette. I'm going to set this concealer in. She is actually taking you know, very mild brown sort of shade for her crease. So since I do not have that exact shade, I'm going to mix two shades. I'm going to mix this one, which is called Champs, with this one, which is called LOL, like L-O-U-L-E. And I'm going to mix these two shades and then just buff it into my crease, and let's see if this works or not. I'm just going to take very light hands because I think we need a little bit of brown for this. So I'm taking the brown from the same palette, which is a very light shade brown. I'm more on the orange shade in my crease and she's more on the brown side. I think that's not a good start, but let's do something about this. I'm taking the brown shade from the same palette, this one, which is called Chauffeur, and I'm gonna try and make this thing work. Then she has taken a brown matte shade from her palette. I'm gonna take this one, which is called Mischief, and I'm gonna put this on my outer corners like she's doing. She's also taking this into her crease and building it very slowly, so I'm gonna do that too. Oh, by the way, did you notice that I'm actually shooting from my bedroom? Because I wanted to keep this laptop in front of me, and the other room that I shoot in doesn't have that arrangement. I could have done that arrangement as such because I don't have a moving tape, but I'm scared. I really am. I don't want to spoil the look. I think I have a lot of orange in the crease. crease, and she has very muted one. So I'm gonna pick this shade, this one, which is called the Big Cocktails, and I'm gonna just puff that out on my outer crease. Alright, so she's going with a matte turquoise shade in her outer corners now. I don't have anything similar, so I'm gonna pick these two shades, these two, and I'm gonna try and make something turquoise and go with it, although they're shimmer, but that's the only option we have at the moment. So let's just do this. I think this is working, and she has taken it slightly into the crease. So I'm gonna pick this black matte shade and try to make a similar shade for the outer crease. I think that should work, so I'm gonna do that. I'm sorry, Kathleen, if I'm ruining it, but I love you so much. Alright, so next she is actually taking her Colourpop concealer and she's going to do cut crease, and we are going to do the same thing. So let's do this. I'm taking a flat brush. Alright, not bad. So then she is going with silvery sort of a shade, which I have something similar, but not exactly like hers. Her is okay. I have something like this, and I think this can go on the lid, this particular shade. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it fares. And I'm gonna take the other side of the flat brush, the same flat brush, and I actually ruined the shade. I shouldn't have done this, but anyway. So I'm gonna go with another shade now. This is definitely not similar, but it's a beautiful shade, so I'll just go with this one and show you guys how it looks. I think I'm gonna do the cut crease thing again, and this time I'll just try to make it as clean as she did. And we're going to put that beautiful shade, shimmery shade again on the lids, but this time I'm going to use another brush for precision. Luckily, I have not messed up the crease this time, but the color is also not that prominent, so I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna mix a couple of colors, and this time I'll go with my finger. Alright, let's just do a little bit of blending. Okay, so I'm going to take that shimmer green shade. Whew, not bad. Alright, Kathleen, what's next? She's just moisturizing her face. I'm gonna take my pack moisturizer. Alright, so next she's mixing two of her foundations. I obviously don't have them, so I'm just gonna go with my foundation. realized that she has done her eyebrows already, so I will also quickly do and come back. Alright, so my eyebrows are done now, and next I'm going to go ahead with the concealer. The one she's using is from Colourpop, but mine is not a highlighting concealer, so I'm gonna mix this one with the Maybelline Age Rewind, and then I'm gonna just conceal everything and highlight as well. I'm just using the pointed side of my Vibrant Makeup Perfector, and I'm going to set. Alright, now since I don't have Patrick Starr's setting powder, I'm going to use my little Pro translucent powder to set my concealed areas. Now she's using a turquoise eyeliner for her lower lash line, so I'm just going to use the plum one, which I've used in my other tutorials as well. Then I'm just going to mimic the crease shades on my lower lash line as well. So I'm just going to take all the shades that I took for the upper crease. I'm mixing 4 shades randomly, and I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line as well. Alright, since I do not have a similar palette, I'm going to dig into my Mary Luminizer and pack it in my inner corners and on my eyebrow bone. She is bronzing her face. I'm going to use my Bahama Mama bronzer for this, and yeah, because I don't really have any of the products that she has. And for my blush, I'm just going to barely touch these 2 shades and put that on my cheeks because she doesn't have a lot of blush going on. And next I'll just set my face with this Elegance makeup setting spray. It's in the dewy finish. Alright, so now I'm going to put this on my lips. It's a nude shade. Now I do not again have something similar to what she's wearing, but we are just trying to make this work. So I'm going to put on this. And then I'm just putting this NYX butter gloss. It smells amazing. So here's a close-up look. I know I have not done justice to it, like it's not the best, but I've just tried, and I'll just put on mascara and my eyelashes, and I'll come back and show you the final look. This is the final look! Yay! Thank God it's not that bad, and I love recreating this. I'm so happy I did this. I'm so happy. It was so challenging, and especially because none of the products were same except for a concealer. So I'm happy. I'm really happy how it turned out. Not the perfect, but I think I did a fair job. So yeah, I'm very happy. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to do more of such videos, then please comment below, let me know what you want to see more, and I would just love to do this. So yeah, bye bye.